Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the Suenos hand-blown Mexican drinking glasses in the confetti style, which is in this box right here. These are going to be 14-ounce sized drinking glasses. There's going to be a pack of 6 for a total of $49. I recently purchased this because I needed new drinking glasses. Previously I just had like classic clear ones that I got from like, I don't know, Walmart or Target, and I didn't have any in my new apartment. So I was looking for something more colorful as far as the design and came across these, and they had pretty good reviews as far as the construction. A lot of people said that because of the texture, it's grooved on the bottom and there may or may not be some sharp edges. Additionally, there were some people that when it got shipped, it was damaged or broken, and they posted photos online demonstrating that. And so what we'll do is we'll just take a look at each one of these, show you what they look like up close, and then that's really it for this video. It's just to give you a sense of what it looks like in person as compared to looking at photos. Okay, so here are all 6 glasses. None were broken or chipped or anything like that, but this is the design. It's got this rainbow pattern throughout. It's a little bit of a rough edge here, but nothing sharp or anything like that. Like, I don't have any shards of glass. I'm just gonna run my hand across all of them, make sure. Yeah, and so like it's more of a smooth edge. It's not sharp, it's just rougher around the edge and gives some texture to it. The nice part about the texture though is it does give it some grip so it doesn't slip or slide, so in your hand you can grab it pretty easily and there's no issues. But overall I really like the pattern of this. The fact that it's got this like multicolored pattern makes it very versatile for any like kind of indoor environment. Additionally, for me, it really reminds me of like marbles growing up. So I always had a bunch of marbles, and like that's kind of what they looked like. On the bottom here, there is a little bit of a rough edge, but it is smooth, like on the bottom surface. I think like there was a separate brand where it's basically it had like this entirely on the flat, but here this company actually smoothed the surface, which makes it better where it doesn't kind of like make it uneven. The other thing to note comparing this one to other ones is there's actually a smooth ridge across the top lip, and so the textured pattern doesn't go all the way to the top. So if you look, it allows you to basically drink from the top without having that rough edge, which is a nice feature as well. It's a subtle detail, but also looking at this, the pattern actually swirls there. So if you look at it, it swirls. So it's just a really nice glass for the price. They make several other sizes, so they do make a smaller like half cup size. I believe they have a pitcher and some other types as well. But based on this impression, I'm really happy with the design and what they look like. Really have no regrets as far as it. Didn't have any issues with shipping, which is the other concern people have. So I'll use these over time, see how they wash and everything like that, and see if I run into any issues. But these are the Dos Suenos handmade drinking glasses. You can get them on Amazon for about $49, and I think it's definitely worth the price. So thanks for watching and have a great day.